Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and my series A House is Not a Home. As you can tell, today is all about the closet. I'm giving you a glimpse inside of what's in my closet. First of all, shout out to my contractor Victor who put together this closet organizer for me. I'm putting a link to where I purchased this from Amazon in the description box below. But for someone who lives a very fast-paced life and always on the go, it is extremely important to have a very organized closet so I can grab and go, keep looking fly, and keep it moving. So as you can see from this, I have all my suits aligned, Indochino. Get at your boy for an endorsement deal. All of my suits that you see here are mostly from an Indochino. And I have my winter coats, I have my sweaters, everything nice and neat and folded. There's a little bit more organization that I do want to get over time, but for right now I didn't want to delay, and I wanted you all to see what's in my closet, how I keep my jeans, my sweaters, my shoes, my boots, my workout clothes, everything organized. And it's extremely important to have a system for you. Now, one of the things that I really missed about my previous home is I had this massive walk-in closet, and unfortunately I don't have that in my new space, but I still love my space. But I had to kind of make do with this closet with what I had. So I think me and Victor, we put our brains together and we created this really awesome closet system. I have my ties and a lint brush. You definitely need a lint brush, fellas. And in these drawers, I keep my socks, my underwear, my workout clothes, all the daily essentials that I can easily grab and go. So let me know what you think in the comment section about what's missing, what I need to do, or what's your thoughts about this closet. I'm really pleased with how it came out. Closet organization systems are not cheap, and I even looked at getting a professional to come in here and do it, but I was able to save a couple of $1,000s by doing this route. So hope you enjoyed this video. There will be more to come. We're going to move on over to the kitchen as well as to the bathroom organization. But by all means, please feel free to share, like, and comment and support my channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.